So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Within this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how can fix the issue that you face during connecting to MongoDB that says your IP address is not connected, not authorized to access the data. Now, in order to fix that, simply open the MongoDB on any of the browser that you have and sign into your MongoDB account. Now, once you open it and go to your project settings, for example, my project that is an expense tracker. If I open settings here, you'll see the current IP address on the top of right there that shows that current IP address is not added. You're not able to connect to the database from this address. So just simply click on this option of add current IP address, or if you are not seeing it right there, just simply go to cluster and there only you will find this option of add IP address. Just simply click on add current IP address, and that will definitely solve the problem. Or you can just simply visit network access to modify or multiple settings. You can add multiple IP addresses that you want. Here you can see I have multiple IP addresses. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.